Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And you know what? This is a little bit blowing a little bit of Trade Ideas horn here, okay? So this is HUSA. HUSA, many in the trading room are all over this one, of course. A little pullback here, but it is still moving. If you take a look at HUSA back here on this day, right there, on this month, about 3 months ago, you notice it had a big spike up. This is the month or the day or the couple of days that another stock like Indo. Let me put in Indo. Did the same thing. You see Indo, MARPS, which is another one that is in our AI today. MARPS. You know, look at the. Whoops, got to type it in correctly. MARPS. Same thing. See all these spiked highs. So for whatever reason, though, today MARPS wasn't too bad, but HUSA is having the day, okay, for whatever reason. I can't really see any news on it. But what is really interesting for us as a company is that you notice here it says HUSA alert from Trade Ideas breaking out on volume. That was at 10 o'clock, okay? This is a scan, but the interesting thing for us, of course, is that we are now being picked up by Interactive Brokers. And not every single headline, of course, but we've got an arrangement now with Interactive Brokers. This is actually from within Interactive Brokers. This is their headline news. And at 10 o'clock, there it is, HUSA, alert from Trade Ideas, breaking out on volume. And at 10 o'clock is right here. And so you can see that, yeah, right there. So at 5:50, so you might say, well, how come it didn't pick it up here? Well, you know, I guess some certain filters weren't met yet. But even from there, from 5:50 all the way up to $7, that's a heck of an alert. So it is interesting for us, of course, because we are now being picked up. Our headlines are being added into Interactive Brokers news feed. And so I just thought I would point that out. And of course, many in the trading room are in this one. And also the MARPS. I mean, the MARPS is something that could be interesting later on. You know, if it decides, it's a lot choppier though. So I guess I'm just going to have to say stick with the HUSA and see what happens, and see what happens tomorrow too. But anyway, just wanted to point this out with our IB headline news, and as I say, IB picking up Trade Ideas headlines. So I definitely want to get back in the room. Lots of activity today. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. That promo is still on. You'll see the email, and you'll see or in the email, you'll see that there's a promo still on. It is, I'm sure it's going to be over tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, but it is still on for 25% off the first month only, or the entire year. So take advantage of it. I'm pretty sure it should be over by tomorrow. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. Have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.